Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So, in the previous videos we have started the lesson number 1, that was food, and where does it come from? Food. Okay students, so in this, first of all we have seen its introduction, that what is food. So in the introduction, first of all we have seen if we required energy, or we have to first of all we have to do any work, then we required energy. And where does this energy come from? It come from the food. Okay students, and there are 3 points in your textbook. Let me read that. See, we get energy from the food that we eat, means we get energy from the food that we eat. Food helps us to grow and repair warm tissues, means it also repairs the tissue in our body. And third point was food helps us stay healthy and protect our body from diseases. So these were the 3 points of the introduction. Okay, next was the food from the plants. So, in the food from the plants, means the food which we get from the plant, like all the vegetables, fruits, and there are different parts of the plants from we get different food, that also we have seen. So, the roots, from the roots we get carrot, radish, terpene, sweet potato, beetroot. Okay, and from stem we get potato, ginger and garlic. From leaves we get spinach, cabbage, lettuce, coriander and mint. From flowers we get cauliflower and banana as vegetables. Fruits, tomato, brinjal, ladyfinger and pumpkin. So this is all the foods that we get from plants. And there were, next point was seeds. Seeds also, there are different types of seed that we have seen. Let us see again: pulses, cereals and spices. So moong, kidney beans and chickpea are seeds from the plants, are known as pulses. Wheat, maize, rice are also seeds, are known as cereals. And seeds of pumpkin, pepper, fenugreek and cardamom are eaten as spices. So this is all the food that we get from the plants. Next we have seen was food from the animals. So, food from the animals, we have seen this in previous video, that the meat, eggs, honey and all the things that we get from the animals. Okay, let us see. So we get food such as meat, egg, honey, milk, cheese, butter and curd from animals. So meat we get is from goat, chicken, fish, etc. Eggs we get from hens, ducks and geese. Honey we get from bees. Milk we get from cows, buffalo and goats. So this is all the thing. From the milk we can make the dairy products like cheese, paneer, butter, all the things. And how it is made, that is also in your textbook. See, paneer is made by adding lemon juice or vinegar in the hot milk. Okay, cheese is prepared by the curdling of milk. Okay, then cheese is prepared by curding, separating out solid and liquid of milk. We get cream from the top fatty layer of the milk and butter from the fresh cream. Ghee is made by heating the butter. So these are the some of the dairy products we have seen in the previous lecture or video. Now the next topic is what animals eat. So, what animals eat? We all know that there are two types of animals. First is herbivorous animals. Second is carnivorous animals. So, here first of all, what does the herbivorous animals eat? They eat plants and some vegetables or fruits. Okay, then what does the carnivorous animals eat? They eat the meat of herbivorous animals and some other animals also. And the third type is omnivorous animals. So, what does the omnivorous animals eat? They eat both plants, fruits, vegetables and the meat and other animals. So, this is what the animals eat. That we seen is first herbivorous animals. They eat the plants and fruits, vegetables. And what does the carnivorous animals eat? They eat the some of the herbivorous animals or the meat. And what does the omnivorous animals eat? So they eat both plants, fruits, vegetables and meat and etc. That all. So let's see some of the textual points of it. See, here animals cannot make their food, their own food. Therefore, they depend on the plants and other animals for the food. Animals eat different types of food based on the food they eat. Animals can be grouped as herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals, omnivorous animals, scavengers and decomposers. Herbivorous animals. So, the animals that eat only plants and plants products are called herbivorous animals. Means I have told the vegetables and fruit that are plant products. The animals that eat only plants and plant products are known as herbivorous animals. That is cows, buffaloes, deer, horses, giraffe and butterflies are the common herbivorous animals. That is plants, eaters. Characteristics of herbivorous animals. Plants are not easy to digest. Means the direct they eat the plants that are not easy to digest. So they need to be chewed well to be broken down into simple substance. Means they have to chew more the plant so that it can break down into small substance. Therefore, herbivores such as horse and cows have white teeth and back of their jaw to grind the plant material before it swallowed it. Means horse and cow have swallow over here in the neck area, so they cut down the food into small plants and chew it. So herbivorous animals such as cow bring back previous swallowed food to mouth for chewing throughoutly. This helps them to absorb most of the nutrition from hard to digest food such as grass. Means cow can also take out the food back and chew it again from the jaw, so that the grass are hard to digest, they can digest easily. Herbivorous animals such as butterflies and hummingbirds have special mouth part that helps them suck nectar from flowers. Means the butterflies and hummingbird take out the honey from it. Squirrels gnaw nuts with the help of pair of sharp front teeth in each jaw. Means squirrel have two big teeth over here in the mouth, front side of the mouth. So this is some of the characteristic of herbivorous animals. That first was the first characteristic, what the plants are not easy to digest, so they have to chew more and cut down into small substance so they can digest easily. And the next point was cow has a jaw over neck, and so it can take back and chew again the food. The next point was butterflies and hummingbirds having special parts in the mouth help them suck nectar from the flowers. And next was squirrel has big two teeth in the front of the mouth. And now carnivorous animals. Let's see the carnivorous animals. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are known as carnivorous animals. Means the carnivorous animals eat the other animals' flesh, that are lions, tigers, vultures, owl, eagles and snakes are the common carnivorous animals that eat meat and other flesh of it. Characteristics of carnivorous animals. Carnivorous such as tigers and lion tear the flesh of their prey through sharp pointed teeth and sharp claws. They also have powerful jaw. Means the carnivorous animals first of all attack the herbivorous animals and eat their flesh due to their nails, sharp nails. They can easily cut down it. Carnivorous birds such as eagles hunt small animals and eat them. They have curved pointed beaks that allows them to tear flesh. These birds have sharp claws and talons to hunt and catch their prey. The owl either swallow in prey or tears it down into pieces before swallowing. Means this both the birds, some birds and owl first of all cut down their food and then after they swallow it. Snakes swallow their prey whole. Means snake directly swallow all the body of it. Frogs have long sticky tongue that helps them to catch insects. Means frog have long tongue, from that they stick the insect and eat it. Fish such as shark eat smaller fishes. They have several small sharp teeth that helps to cut down into flesh of their prey. Okay, so this is the whole carnivorous animals. In your textbook in page number 15 there are the figures of it, so you can see clearly. Omnivorous animals. So what are omnivorous animals? Omnivorous animals means both They eat plants and other animals. These are omnivorous animals. Let's see. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous animals. Okay. Bears, crows, and human beings are examples of the omnivorous animals. We all know humans and some of the omnivorous animals like crow, bears, that are omnivorous animals. Why? Because they eat plants also and plant products and also the animals. Okay, students. So here is the example of bear. Now let's first of all refer it. So what does the animals eat? In this we have seen that animals eat there are different types of animals and they eat different food. Okay, so first we have seen the types of animals. First let me write the types of animals. Was there are in your book there are given 5 types of animals. Okay, but in this video I have only explained the first 3 types, that is herbivorous animals what eat, carnivorous animals what they eat, and omnivorous animals what they eat. Okay students, in next video we will see the other 2 type of eat. So first of all let me write the types of the animals. So that is herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, next is scavengers and decomposers. So this is the 5 types of animals: herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, scavengers and decomposers. So in this video we have seen these 3 types, which is herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous animals. So first of all, herbivorous animals. What are herbivorous animals? The animals which eat plants or plants product are known as herbivorous animals. So let me write this. So what they eat? Plant and plant product. So herbivorous animals eat plant and plant product. So what does the carnivorous animals eat? They eat other animals. Meat, flesh, etc. And what does the omnivorous animals eat? They eat both plant and plant product and other animals, flesh, meat, etc. slash other animals meat and flesh, etc. So, what does the herbivorous animals eat? They eat plants and plant product. So, here are the some examples of it, like cow, horse, etc. So, other animals, carnivorous animals example is lion, tiger, etc. And omnivorous animals, human being, and bear, etc. So, these are the some of the examples of it. Okay. So, these are the examples of the herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals and omnivorous animals. So, in today's video we have seen what herbivorous animals eat, what carnivorous animals eat and what omnivorous animals eat. In next video we will see the other two type, what they eat, and we have also seen some of the characteristics of herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals and omnivorous animals. So, this is all for today, and now write down your homework. So, students, please note down your today's homework. So, your today's homework, question 1. What are herbivorous animals? Give 2 examples of it. So, question 2. What are carnivorous animals? Give 2 example. And question 3. What are omnivorous animals? Give two example. So this is your today's homework. What you have to write is, what are herbivorous animals? So that I have told the definition, and the definition is also in the textbook, and you have to give two examples like herbivorous animals. Which two example? Cow, horse, etc. What are carnivorous animals, and you have to give two examples. And what are omnivorous animals? You have to give two examples. So this is your today's homework. Please note down this. Okay, I hope you have note down your homework. Up till then, stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.